Hi YouTubers, I am here today. I'm going to do a full foil on my beautiful guest here. We've been going blonde for a long time. We don't like to do bleach retouches or anything to mess with her natural color. We like to leave a little bit of that in there. So I'm going to do a full micro foil on this beauty. And I'm going to do the first couple to show y'all. I take very, very tiny little pieces so that she has even coverage and even lift. I am using 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗦, that is my favorite lightener, with about 15 volumes, so just a little bit more than 10, but not 20. Low and slow, that is my method. Leaving out that natural in between. Taking those baby fine thin sections. I always over direct my foil. Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and mix my color. I prefer 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗦, that is my lightener of choice. I'm using between a 10 and a 15 volume. I'm doing a very full micro foil on my blondie here. So much so that technically I could probably do a bleach retouch on her, but her scalp is really sensitive. So we don't do the bleach retouch. We just do a lot of foils. I like my consistency to be on the thicker side because it really holds in that foil. That's just my preference. I'm also adding a bonder that I love to use, which is by Virtue. I add it right into my lightener. It does not affect the development of the blonde. So it's beautiful. It adds the keratin protein back into her hair. And it's a nice way that I love to keep my blondes nice and healthy. All right, y'all, I'm getting towards the top of her hair. I'm still doing very baby fine foils. That way it guarantees a beautiful lift and she doesn't have to worry about getting yellow. I, for the top, love to do a crisscross pattern because then she doesn't have that harsh foil line. And I really pack them in so she gets that really platinum blonde effect without having to do a bleach retouch on her.
Yeah, I don't know that number. It's I'm trying to reschedule an appointment.
Yeah. I know, I bet you were just waiting for me to cancel, weren't you?
Oh, I was not. I was thinking, there has got to be some hairstylists trying to make some money right now. I cannot go any longer. So, my roots, just for some reason, when my roots are growing out like that, I feel like even when I wash my hair looks greasy.
Wow. Yeah.
And I wash my hair every day. So, I mean, it shouldn't look greasy after I wash it, but it just drives me nuts. Because then I feel like I need to take another shower, you know?
It's probably the darkness, you know?
Yeah.
People are just,
And it
feel
has
like
more
they're-
shine to it for some reason.
Because it's healthy.
Oh, really? Is that why it is?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's funny. So it's not really grease.
It's not greasy. It's just healthy.
I'm gonna stop this at 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Okay.
That's funny.
Shiny, yeah.
Yeah. But the shine to me looks like oil.
She is lifting perfectly. Alright guys, her foil is complete. I used a permanent toner on her as well. I'll put that in the comments so you know my toner and formulation. I'm blow drying her, and as you can see, she lifted beautiful, nice icy blonde, all with foil. I did a very micro foil on her today, and she's gonna rock this for about 6 weeks before she comes back in for a partial highlight. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe and comment below if you have any hair questions. I'm always happy to answer them. Bye!